Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook homba with egg, okay? So these are all the ingredients. We need salt, brown sugar, uh, soy sauce, oyster sauce, cubes, boiled eggs, and then garlic, black pepper, onions, spring onions, and then bay leaf, and then the meat. I already cooked the meat or fry the meat. Okay? Plus a little oil because you know there's an oil in the meat also. So I need only para lang mag-igisa sa lamas. Okay? So saute the garlic. And then the onion. Add the meat. Okay guys, look at that meat. Oh, my hands are clean. Okay. Okay, ako ni siya gihumol sa Sprite guys. Okay. Okay guys. Okay, this is it. And then bay leaf, peppercorn, and then the spring onions. First, Obgar. I'm sorry I forgot one of the ingredients also. I just get not so much like that. Marinated the water and the Sprite. I'm gonna add some more water, guys. Then we're gonna cover first. Cover first. Wait for the meat that is very soft already. Cubes, guys. Okay, the cubes also. Okay, and then cover. Okay, we're gonna add the oyster sauce. At the humba, guys. Add the egg. Okay, let's cover first and we'll be right back in a few minutes only because this one is cooked already. Okay. Okay guys, so we'll be right back in a few. That's our homba with egg is done. Okay. It's tasting time. So I'm gonna taste just a little, the little one only. That's very soft. Soft guys. Okay? So, it's super yummy. So that's our homba with eggs is done. It's super yummy, guys. And then, thank you for watching and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye-bye. Look at that one. It's super yummy.